Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Every Day and Look at the Job. This is day 55, and yesterday was a mess. The OBS turned off by itself, and yeah, I wasn't just not really coding focusedly, or yeah, just wasn't really a good session of learning yesterday, but hopefully today is better. um so the problem with the Shatsi and chart was that wait, yeah, let me open the VS Code and NeoVim so that I could uh start. I think I still have the session, I believe, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, basically okay, I need to what's it called again? I need to open his code first, then we can open this, because some of the notes are on there. But basically the chart is a client component and doesn't work since the admin is a server component, so that we need to separate them. And yeah, basically uh, yeah, separating the card, or like the data that display the data with the charts. So that's what we want to do today. So first we need to create this we need to create a new component. It's actually the component, this the stat card that was already inside there, but now we need to separate them because we need to make them a client component now. Wait, yeah, let me check. What did I last commit? Okay, I haven't committed anything, so that's good. But yeah, okay, I guess we can just start. Okay, we need to create this client, and it's going to be export function step part. We're gonna need to import the area chart responsive container. Okay, no, we don't need the responsive container. Line and line chart. And then after that, this is from add slash components slash UI slash charts. And I'm gonna be needing the chart. Okay, is it okay? It's without S, so we can do that. Chart config. Oh, we need chart container. We need chart tooltip. I think, yeah, tooltip, and then contact. Okay, it is not. Oops. Sorry. Let's return if for now. Would that work? Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, the data is going to be passed down as props. So I have a start props. It's gonna have the title, value change, because we want to see the change in numbers between the user and the other one. We have chart data. Gonna take some string, and then users. Okay, cool. Do we have the chart config? No. Title value change. Title value change, change type, chart data, chart type, life indicator, as well as that. Okay. And then we're going to need to destructure the prop. Oh, sorry, title. Value change type, chart data, chart type. After chart type is live indicator, title, and then these are stuff props. Okay. If the change type is positive, it's gonna be green. If not, it's gonna be text red 600. Und ja, das ist die. Und okay. Hello, Shazots and Yahoo. I hope everyone have a great day, or I don't know, only 2 people watching, so hello. Need to make a chart config first. Hello, Mr. Hui. I'm sorry, my grammar is just all over the place. Um, yeah, I definitely need some sleep. I think it's because I exercised this morning, and or at least the first no, this is the second exercise this week, but it's definitely much more, what do you call it? Much more intense than the other one. So yeah, but I want to at least have this working for the admin chart. And now I think we need an admin panel, which is basically just a div, but I guess, yeah, I already named it admin panel, so no, it's fine. It's also going to be a client component. Before panel, I'm gonna turn, as per usual, some divs. Inside of that div, we're going to have a few more. Okay, this component is a bit smaller, and then we're going to refactor the admin page, that is the server component. But okay, let's it's going to have some, again, the data that is given from the um, yeah, it's basically just linked this to the other part. Okay. It's pg wide rounded LG shadow SM 6. Description. Did I put it wrong? Oh yeah, I forgot to destructure the property. What am I on about? Okay. This is rookie mistake. Title description action. Yeah, there we go. Sorry. This is stupid. Okay. Let's just use the not from there. So that's why it's working. Okay. want this to be a link component. Oh, yeah. Next, oops. Next link. Ref. Did accept any prop? Ah, sorry, I forgot. This is accepts 2 props. And of course, class name of lock expose 600. Expose 100. Oops. Okay, that should be done. Now we can go to the admin and this page. Yeah, let's try to fix this because we do not need all the charting and everything. It's gonna be much more simpler. Actually, this I think this is what the React and Next.js is supposed to be. So it's we kept this, we kept that, we kept this. It's just that I think count start. We wouldn't need this component, I think. We're just gonna need to import step part from component slash admin slash step part. I know it's gonna have a conflict. Sorry, I'm gonna delete the other one. I know they're gonna conflict. We're gonna delete it. The one from here. All the query, I think it's still the same. It's just that right now, user initials. What we have is up until this admin route, we wouldn't need to have that anymore, I think. Would that work? Does it produces any error? Okay. I want to check if the props I pass is correct because I think I need to change some of the props. That needs to change according to the component. Wait. Okay, most likely it's going to be these stat cards. So we have grid, title, total users, user count, a string, user both. If it's more than 0, it's gonna show the plus. If not, it's nothing. The change types, it's gonna be determined the colors. And it's gonna be area for that. And then the next recent activity is just that. Stat card, total resources. Okay, and then total views, to string across all resources. And then in the admin section, that should be it. Okay, let's see if we encounter any error like yesterday. And I just want to check. If no, we can commit that and still compiling. And I think by that, all the other feature is okay, cool. Let's go to /admin. I don't think they have that /admin. Okay, there we go. I think some of the styling could be better. Oh no, it's not. It's just because the area took I set the data to be 6 months. But okay, let me check if I think some of the CSS is broken. Wait, let me test that. But it works, it renders compared to yesterday where it just thrown a build error. Whoa, why am I here? Good. The stat card have some stuff that I want to change, I guess. I like this, but it's not in the right place. I think the span has some class issue that we need to change a little bit. Absolute size 3, rounded full, BG green, opacity, animate ping. And then we have relative, inline flex, rounded full, size 3, BG green, 600. Okay, what's wrong, man? I think it looks fine. Okay, this we have 4 user. Let's try to sign up a new user. Or I don't know, it's fine. Sign out, sign in. Let's try to sign up. I haven't really tested a lot of it. Let's do, yeah, we haven't create account. I want to try to use the Google again. Okay, wait, I'm going to use my Google. Wait. Sign in, create account. Continue. And oh my god, it even took the avatar. Oh my god. That is sick. Okay, cool. I think it's building, right? It's still compiling, yes. Let's browse Omwerk. That's like this. I repeated this video multiple times just so that I could understand the material because I keep forgetting it. Regarding three-phase electricity, but yeah. Let's like it. And then let's check the dashboard. There we go. And now let's check the admin panel. Let's restart. I think it's going to, yeah. That's going to be admin plus. There we go. Okay, there we go. Total user. Although it doesn't really increasing because, again, the point is okay. Yeah. It's fine. Fuel resources goes to the. Does it work? Yes. Over here we can filter based on that. We can do LED. Cool. Okay. When I add resources, we go here. Okay, most of the admin functionality and all the user functionality works because essentially, this is this could be just a list or a repository in GitHub, but I just really want to. Okay, this has some problem here. I don't know why does it do this, but that sucks. Okay, but yeah, I guess let's try it again. It's just that it's not that fast, I guess, because I'm streaming, I'm opening too many tabs, I'm opening new Vim, VS Code and everything, so it doesn't really perform. There we go, but it's pretty cool. It's just that I don't know why this is not centered, but if it is responsive, it's just that it's I don't know, looks a bit odd. Okay, for the I would say the MVP feature for both admin and user already works. Let's have the dev server before we. I really like it. I didn't know that they would grab the name and. Oh shit! I forgot. Turn off the server. Never mind. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now I guess what I want to do is just total views. We have 63, but of course it does count like repeated. I think yeah. I think after this, what we're going to do is let's check. I still really want to polish the admin. You know what? I think the admin dashboard is really nice. The analytic, we don't have analytics yet. I think I'm just gonna remove it. Yeah, but this is cool. This is nice. Now, I don't know. Maybe because the data is not that old yet, but I set it up into like 3 months. Might need to change it a bit, but yeah. This one is probably next. The onboarding model, like when users sign up the first time, a model would pop up and say it's like, oh, welcome to this. This is something like yeah, just like what we just tried that when a user just sign up, it's just straight in. Even though it's pretty straightforward, it's this website's just a list of resources. So oh my god, okay. Okay. I don't know if should I have image upload or not, just for the profile pictures. And yeah. I think tomorrow what we can do is just set up Google Forms. Like, I think it's just create a Google Forms, and that whenever a user or visitor wants to, yeah, I need to have a go back page. Like they want to submit something, they could just hit. I forgot it's dead. The development server is not on. They could just submit, but it's a Google form because if I make another form again in here, I need to make another component. I'm just like, okay, you know what? Just use Google form. Okay. Mm. But yeah, basically, I don't think we need user management and role assignment because, yeah, the only difference is that users cannot go to the admin page and user could just save and have their dashboard and everything. That's it, I guess. Content moderation for workflow, uh, analytics dashboard. Not really necessary at the moment, but I don't know. Featured content. Oh, okay. Yeah, we need to do. Yeah, if someone want to sponsor and have a featured listing, we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna make it nicer. So I think tomorrow, what we can do is set up Google Form because yeah, I don't think the image upload necessary. Okay, maybe image upload is necessary. Uh, Maybe as of right now, no need. You know, as of right now, no need. Okay, okay, cool. Yeah, I guess that's it. Like, just I think testing in the upcoming weeks and starting to deploy it. I guess, because why not? I've been watching a lot and reading a lot regarding deploy and how to install them. I haven't really found a more comprehensive tutorial. They all just very surface level, but I guess we just need to configure and learn that on our own. But yeah, I know the styling is a bit too basic. There's nothing really special about it, but I guess for now I'm okay with that, just as long as it's finished. Maybe in the future I could add some blog for SEO, learn the MTX for creating the aesthetic site with Next.js. But yeah, I guess that's it. Sorry if I'm lazy for the past few days and not really motivated, but yeah. Yeah, but yeah, core functionalities, everything already works, I guess. Just need to polish something, maybe learn a little bit about testing just to see and check if there's any other like bugs or error in the code that could leads to some error. But that's it, I guess, for today. Sorry for the past few days, it's been very short. But I hopefully by tomorrow or the upcoming weeks I could be more consistent, be more better. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry this is so short and nothing really, nothing much happened. Just refactoring the admin panel to be more dynamic with the data and everything. Even the data is not really shown very nicely because I set the wrong time to access. But yeah, see. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Again, I'll see you tomorrow to another coding every day until I get a job. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.